This is my camping setup. I got the deep sleep mattress, memory foam with mattress, and the leveling mat. Delilah, how you like this bed? Huh? Hey, is it comfortable? Yeah? It comes with a leveling mat and I also have a 6x8 Ironman 4x4 awning. It was a mission to set it up with the mud and the wind. This is where my kids, well, one of my kids sleep. Ethan, say hi. I got my fridge, my Amazon fridge, my body heater, a chair, my solar panels, and this is pretty much my setup. My treasure room, my 5-pound propane tank, my ultra swing table with a stove, the water container to wash the dishes and stuff. So how you like my bed setup, Delilah? Good? It's comfortable? Yeah? Say something, you're alive.
Huh?
Say something. What do you think about is manageable? Yeah? We got Goku over here. My first kit 8. It has everything in it. Like I never use it. Thank God. My fire extinguisher. My wife. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Hey, bro. Gordon.
What?
Here. She does want another one.
And I have to make an quesadilla for my daughter. We came to this campsite for Cali Yodas. It's a group from SoCal. And more than 80 rigs came to Barstow, California. We came here from Friday, but the real party is gonna be tonight on Saturday. So we'll see if we can hang out. What up, brother? I got 35s already. Got my friends sleeping over there, more people coming. That's supposed to be our toilet. Hey, where's Justin?
He's riding, fool.
Fuck.
Truchas, güey, trucha.
What?
No tumbes mi cama, güey.
Say something to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my dad's channel. Say it.
Like and subscribe to my dad's channel.
He's a cool dude.
He's a cool dude.
The wife. Got my Boffin GMR RS radio, my fucking headphones for we're gonna go shooting after. Delilah, we're gonna go shooting. Choo! She finished both of the quesadillas?